The moon.
The moon.
The moon. That little star there. New moon. Get on the skateboard.
You want to go on the skateboard?
Yeah.
Oh, you got me able to...
Get on the fucking skateboard.
I'm on the skateboard.
Move it.
Okay.
Go ride it.
You want me to ride it?
Ride it. Ride it like there's no tomorrow.
Woo! Yeah! No pictures, please.
You want a skateboard?
No.
Yes.
I got the skateboard for you. No.
No.
You know what? You know what? Hey.
No, you in the front, I'm in the back.
What?
Me back. Get on.
Okay.
Woo!
It's like,
I want to freaking go. You hold the camera.
I can't. We're going on. Alright. We gotta turn it.
No. Alright, go.
Alright.
You lift your legs up.
I can't. Your legs are too fucking heavy. See, now I can lift my legs up.
Alright.
I'm gonna fall.
How am I gonna do this?
I don't know.
Alright, there.
Woo! I just dropped again. My cleavage. Where'd your hat go? Whoa! Samuel! Oh, God. Oh no! Like a frickin' crazy ass gonna fall over skateboard shit. What? New video? Alright.